Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we wanted to show you how we make our body butter. It's been a real big seller for us. It's been very popular at every show we've gone to, and it's one that we continuously sell throughout the years. So in today's video, we're just going to walk you through the easy steps of how we make it. So and if you want to make this at home, we'll put the recipe in the description below. So let's get started. So that's pretty much it for step one. Now that we have all the oils melted, they're in the pot, I'm going to heat them up till they're about 135 degrees, and we'll get that shea butter, which will be the last stuff to melt in there. And then once everything's melted, I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator for it to cool overnight, and we'll come back tomorrow and finish it up. Alright, so we're back the next day. We've already melted the oils and we put them in the refrigerator yesterday for them to cool. Now they are solidified and they're ready to be mixed into the final product. So the next step that we're going to do is we're going to take the oils that we refrigerated, and I'm going to go ahead and weigh them out. And this batch that I'm going to make right now is for 50 ounces. And so I'm going to go ahead and put that in one bowl and weigh it out. And then as the mixer is going, I'm going to take the chunks of the refrigerated oil and add them to the mixing bowl. And I found that kind of helps it mix evenly, and also it doesn't put like a whole lot of strain on my mixer as well. And while that's going, then I'll add my vitamin E oil, my essential oils, and then I add some tapioca flour. It seems to kind of cut down on the greasiness or the oiliness of the body butter. So that's what we're going to do. So again, for this batch of 50 ounces of oils, I'm going to use 2 ounces of tapioca flour and half of an ounce of vitamin E oil. And I use this as a natural preservative. And now at this point, I'll also go ahead and add the essential oils that I'm going to use for this batch. At this point, I'll add that mixture. And so now that the mixture is all made up, I'm just going to package it in these jars that we use. And we use these 8-ounce either ball or Kerr canning jars. I like the look of them, but I also like the fact that they can be a multi-purpose jar too. So when the body butter's done, then people can repurpose the jar. And that's it. And then as far as our labels, keep it pretty simple and just put the label right there. And that's how we make our body butter. Well, thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see how we make other products like our goat milk soap, be sure to click this video here.